Welcome to my room. Hey guys, it's Tamia here and I'm finally back with another video for you guys today. Today's video is going to be my wonderful room tour for 2018. So first of all, this video was requested by so many of y'all, so I'm finally getting around to doing it. Second of all, I'm actually moving in about 2 months, so this room will no longer be in the background of my YouTube channel. So before I do leave this house, I want to show y'all the complete layout of this room. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see my room tour. So if you do enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel and my vlog channel, which are both linked in there down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into my room tour for 2018. So guys, when you first enter my room, the first thing you see is this little thing right here. Where did I get this from? I got this from Ross for like $4, no, $7. Being really terrible with this. It's like this cute little basket and it has like these triangles. Let me get details. So it has like these little triangles and at the back it says hello, and inside of it I have this keychain with all my chains from places I've been. So now going down here, I have this little thing, storage container, and me and my boyfriend Derek actually painted this mint. It used to be like this pinkish color, but we needed to match my room better, so now it's mint. But on top of that, I have a canvas. Y'all know I love painting canvases. This one says I'm so awesome, even my immune system can't get enough of me, lupus warrior. Inside this little thingy, first of all, I have all of my art supplies. So I have paintbrushes, glitter, glue, all that type of stuff in here. In the next one, I have all of my paint. It's kind of unorganized right now because I haven't been feeling too organized lately. I have this cup that I put my paintbrushes in. I have my paint thingies. What are these called? Yeah, I got all my paint, acrylic paint. Y'all know I love to paint. And then down here I have stuff to make homecoming mums. If you don't live in Texas, you probably don't know what a homecoming mum is, but yeah, it's my supplies to make those. So back up here, I do have Christmas lights. I just have this picture, not picture, but this little piece here from TJ Maxx, I believe. TJ Maxx or Ross. No, this is from Hobby Lobby, and it just says sparkle, and I think this thing was like 10 bucks. I don't know, honestly, I don't remember. If you were on my channel the OG days of YouTube, you probably know that my original YouTube name is sparklygirlxoxo, so I thought, what not better to put sparkle in my room. So guys, now going to this first little shelf. First of all, I have this picture up here. This is from Home Goods, and it says follow your heart, and it has the infamous dots, just like my dot wall over there. Fix this. First of all, on the top shelf of this shelf, I have this really pretty contact paper. So this contact paper is from Big Lots. All my jewelry is housed up here. This jewelry holder is from Ross. It came in this color. I have this picture right here, which comes from Ross as well. Then I have a MAC bag and a Victoria's Secret bag holding all of my jewelry. Now on to this second piece of shelf. First of all, I have another canvas. By the way, y'all are gonna see canvases all throughout this tour because I'm a painter. I just love to do it. It says you're gonna get this black girl magic today, and I created this about 2 or 3 months ago. And then I have this basket of pocket bags because, you know, Bath & Body Works pocket bags. They're pretty good. Then I have just this little cute little pink watermelon. Then on this next shelf, we have some more of that contact paper. I have this little drawer here with markers, glue, and stuff. I have a bunch of random stuff in this corner I'm not even going to get into. Down here I have a jar of paint, and then I have this little mint thingy from Ross, and I have all of my socks in there, and I just get the freak out of my nail. Now going to my desk area. I did do a desk tour a few months ago, but yeah, this is my desk. Honestly and truly, I don't do no work over here. I don't sit here at all. This is just strictly decoration. First of all, this top wall up here, this picture is from Ross, and it says go digger get it, go digger, go digger. So as you can see, I have this contact paper. The reason we decided to do contact paper on the wall just because it was 10 times cheaper than wallpaper and it was easier to hang up. So now going down to my desk, I have all this good stuff. Like I said, if you want to see like where all this stuff is from, you can go watch my desk tour because I explain like all this stuff, you know. So yeah, I got the prom pictures with Derek. So now we got my big old closet. I'm opening it for just a few seconds because y'all never see my closet. The majority of these jackets are Derek's. because he leaves them in my house a lot. Above my closet, we got the infamous dot wall. This little M right here is from Home Goods as well. Next to that, I have my easel. Like I said, I love to paint. I got so many canvases in here. I actually have a corner right here with canvases stashed in it. This, you know, we got this one. We got this one. So, you know, above the shelf, this canvas I actually didn't paint. This is from Route 21. We just bought it. It says I love you to the moon and back. I got all of my sprays from Bath & Body Works. I have this little tray I made in a DIY video a few months back with my sprays and stuff, you know. Down here I have too much stuff to explain, just random stuff. So I got a basket full of random products. This is full of like medical supplies and stuff. I have all of my old boxes from makeup in this MAC bag because I love to collect the boxes. And then I have this little thing from Walmart, but in here I have all of my lotions from Bath & Body Works. Down here, more random stuff. So now getting to my big dresser. First of all, I got all of my clothes inside this dresser. I got these little acrylic storage thingies from Amazon. You know, these are only like $20-some a piece. Then I got all my makeup brushes over here. I got this little thingy here. I want to show y'all because I made it. It's this unicorn tray made out of clay. I made this. And then right here I have another canvas. It's a unicorn. This is me. This is my life. Then I got this little picture. This is from Route 21 as well, just like that canvas up there. So the wall next to my dresser vanity is this one right here. And it has this really cute picture from Ross. It says I woke up like this. And then got my mirror right here, which is from Walmart. Above my window, I got this really beautiful quote that I got from a friend for Christmas. And it says, he counts the stars and calls them by name. I got these two shelves. On top of this one, I have a canvas from Route 21. And it says, I can't adult today. And then I have this beautiful unicorn light. And I don't think it has batteries in it. Yeah, it don't have batteries in it because I took the batteries out. Then I got this cup. Guess who got it for me? He's smiling behind the camera. I have all of my Victoria's Secret sprays. Yes, I collect Victoria's Secret sprays as well as Bath & Body. I have this little picture and it says, trust in the Lord with all thine heart. This is from Ross. I have this little lamp right here. This is from Walmart. And then I have this crate thingy. This is a crate shelf and it's two crates put together. And I painted it mint and glued it with some E6000. So now it's kind of like a crate nightstand. So guys, now we're to the part where y'all see all the time. This is the infamous gold dot wall in my room. This is the infamous gold dot wall. And if y'all are wondering where these gold dots come from, I ordered gold dots on Amazon and just took them off the thing. They were like stickers and just placed them all over the wall. I got my bed, just a plain old bed. I also had a different comforter sheet in like a few of my videos, but I ended up changing it because it was too light. It was getting stains easily. So we got this one right here, and I have these three pillows. This one is from Forever 21 and it says love. This one is from Route 21 and this one is also from Route 21. Back here I have a dresser. This is a nightstand dresser. So I got another canvas, surprise surprise, and this one says always wear your invisible crown. And then I just have this letter R. The reason why I have a letter R is because people call me Raeshun, and this one actually works. It works. There you go. Then I got this chalkboard. My mom actually won this at an auction. So guys, this is the last stop in my room tour. One last canvas for the road. This one says all things work together for good. And I got this TV here, you know, what I watch TV on. I have this little box picture here from Ross. It says XOXO. And then I have this chest drawer which holds all of like my night clothes and random t-shirts. So guys, that was all for this video and I hope y'all enjoyed. Please remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel and my vlog channel, which are both linked in there down below, and make sure y'all press that bell for all my post notifications. Anyways, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.